So, as a leader, you're probably seeing pockets of AI experimentation popping up all over your organization, which is great. But all of that activity, it really boils down to one critical question. Is all that busyness, all that experimentation, is it actually creating visible business value? For a lot of leaders, if they're being really honest, the answer is, well, not yet. And the reason for that usually comes down to the approach. You see, most organizations have AI bolted on. Different teams are trying different tools, which leads to these siloed experiments and, you guessed it, inconsistent results. What we need is to shift to a baked-in strategy, one where a shared framework and an aligned strategy actually lead to value you can measure. So, how do we get there? Well, it has to start at the top. It starts with a shared foundation for your entire leadership team. And I want to be clear, this isn't about sending just one or two people off to a course and hoping they bring the knowledge back. The real game changer, the thing that truly accelerates progress, is creating a shared language and a shared framework across your entire executive team. Because when everyone is on the same page, you finally move from scattered tactics to a single cohesive strategy. And yeah, we know a 2-day commitment for the whole team is a big ask, but it's not just training. It's an investment in your collective ability to lead through this change. So what does that actually look like? This is absolutely not a 2-day lecture. It is all about moving from abstract theory to tangible, concrete action. Let's look at what your leaders will be able to do the moment they walk out the door. They're going to be able to explain AI concepts in plain English to anyone. They will literally redesign a real workflow from their own job. They'll build and test a practical AI agent. They'll learn how to use AI as a true strategic partner to challenge their own assumptions. And they'll do it all with practical guardrails for responsible use. Most importantly, every single leader leaves with a concrete 30, 60, 90-day action plan. And look, we know these are big promises, but this isn't just talk. This is a proven path with real evidence-based outcomes. Take this number, for example, 94%. This represents a really critical shift for any leader trying to navigate the world of AI. It means that 94% of participants left feeling more confident in actually applying AI to their work. This isn't about feeling inspired for a day. It's about feeling genuinely equipped to make a real, lasting impact. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Mark, a director who's taken 8 different AI courses, said it best. He called this the most applicable course for people who don't code but want the impact. And that's exactly what this is all about. So if you boil it all down, it comes to this. The approach is practical, not theoretical. It is laser-focused on creating real business value. And it's all grounded in responsible AI, which means you can innovate boldly while still governing wisely, protecting your people, your data, and your brand. Ultimately, this is about moving your organization from a collection of ad hoc experiments to a true strategic advantage. AI Native Foundations gives you that structured path, building the leadership alignment you need to unlock real, measurable business value.